I am telling about QQQ put calendar spread options. I have two calendar spread options. Expiry date is next month 12th and next month 6th. The striking price is $295. I purchased these two for $1,400. 10 quantity. Out of 10, I sold one for $160. Another one is sold for $165. Another one is sold for $170. Another three sold for $498. The next one sold for $175. The next one $180. The next one sold for $180. The last one sold for $172. So my profit is 1,400 plus 160 plus 165 plus 170 plus 498 plus 175 plus 180 plus 180 plus 172. So my profit is 300.